Jai Sri Krishna. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 5, Sri Narada instruction on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva Goswami. Here in the verse 35, Sri Narada Muni said to Vyasadeva Goswami that whatever work is done here in this life for the satisfaction of the mission of the Lord is called Bhakti Yoga or transcendental loving services to the Lord. And what is called knowledge becomes a concomitant factor. So here it is mentioned yadatra kriyate karma bhagavata paritoshanamam jnanam yad tada adhinamahi bhakti yoga samavhitam. It means the purport is the general and popular notion is that by discharging fruitive work in terms of a direction of the scripture on one becomes perfectly able to acquire transcendental knowledge for a spiritual realization. Bhakti yoga is considered by some to be another form of karma. But factually, Bhakti yoga is above both karma and Jnana yoga. Bhakti yoga is independent of Jnana or karma. On the other hand, Jnana and karma are dependent on Bhakti yoga. This Kriya yoga or Karma yoga, as recommended by Sri Narada to Vyasa, is specifically recommended because the principle is to satisfy the Lord. The Lord does not want his sons, the living beings, to suffer the threefold misery of the life. He desires that all of them comes to him and live with him. But going back to Godhead means that one must purify himself from the material inspection. When work is performed therefore to satisfy the Lord, the performer becomes gradually purified from the material affection. This purification means attainment of spiritual knowledge. Therefore, knowledge is dependent on karma, on work done on behalf of Lord. Other knowledge, being devoid of bhakti yoga or satisfaction of the Lord, cannot lead one back to the kingdom of Lord, which means that it cannot even offer salvation. As already explained in connection with the stanza Naiskarmam api achutta bhava bharjatam. The conclusion is that a devotee engaged in the unalloyed service of the Lord, specifically in hearing and chanting of his transcendental glories, becomes simultaneously spiritually enlightened by the divine grace, as confirmed in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Jai Jagannath.